So yay, hi guys, welcome. Today I'm so excited for this Parade collection. This is the cutest ever. It's the Coca-Cola Collection. Let me say it in Spanish. It's a Coca-Cola Collection and it's so pretty. Look at the box. It's red with silver. It says Coca-Cola and this is Parade. It's a perfect holiday collection for December. This already launched today, but they sent me this like few days or last week for me to be prepared and post content and all that. But guess what? I'm still sick and I haven't been able to take this off and try it on and do all that. So anyway, so I'm so happy and so excited. So look, ooh, wow. I don't want to throw this box away because look how cute it is. It says Coke, the vintage version, packaging, and what does it say here? Can be the real thing. So they're just missing panda bears. Oh my gosh, I remember like 2 years ago I did a Christmas Coca-Cola polar bear inspired makeup. So I was like, wow, this would have been perfect back then. I could have worn this set while doing that Christmas look. Maybe I redo it this year if I get better soon before Christmas. I hope. I haven't been able to do Christmas looks this year just too because I got sick and then I've been receiving a lot of stuff for me to do unbox and blah. So anyway, whatever. So these are obviously free gifted items. Ooh, this feels different. I think it was, you can hear it. The other packaging doesn't feel or sound like this. Feels more like paper instead of plastic. I don't know. Anyways, I'm getting distracted. But these two items I did choose even though it was for free. So this is a size medium Coca-Cola place print. It says here. So this is a brief style underwear, which I love. I prefer. Oh, it's because it came with a tissue paper. Okay, so wow, ta-da! You see it says Coca-Cola. Te pesa la cola. I'm kidding, but it's red and it's just a traditional brief they have. I have a black one, a brown one. They sent me a yellow one the first time I received a gifting invite from them, but I gave it away. Like always, I give my stuff away. But now I want it. They don't have the yellow one when I went to go buy it, but I was like, oh well. So it's kind of mesh with the band. These are comfortable. These are soft. They only have, this pair only has a design on the back. It says Coca-Cola and it's soft and it feels like a different material than this kind of. So it's very cute. It's pretty. So this is in the size medium, so this is gonna fit me well. I hope. So I love red, so I got excited for this collection. It had a lot of options, but since it's a gifting invite, everything goes by quick too, and like everybody gets crazy. So you have to be quick. So I'm just glad I got this one, the traditional one, because they had a lot of prints. Like they have Diet Coke, Cherry Coke. They had, I think, some with rhinestones. They had like the polar bear print. Like it looked like this. I was like, just give me the traditional one, even though nobody wanted it for some reason. I don't know why. Everybody wanted the other one. But I was like, oh, and they even had a cherry version. It didn't say Coca-Cola. It was just black with cherries. I was like, ooh, I was gonna get that one, but I was like, it's not gonna look like Coke. So yeah, I just got the traditional one, this print, and this is a scoop bralette and it's in the size medium as well. So it's a matching set. It's the same thing, it's just in a bra version, so it feels the same. And I was like, I had to get the traditional version. So you see it's a bralette, it's see-through, it's mesh. right here. And this one's a little thicker though. This clip is 1, 2, 3, but it comes with 3 clips with double clips. Smells kind of funky, like mildew or wet clothes that haven't been washed and it's been in a bag. What? I don't know why it smells like mildew. What the heck? You already know I keep it 100. But I love Parade, but it does smell like mildew. It's the first time their clothes smell bad. It smells weird, but anyways, it's still pretty cute and nice. I like it, and I can wear it all the time since it's a scoop bralette. It feels comfortable, as well as underwear. So, excuse me. I know I'm gonna wear this a lot. Well, not really, because I don't want to get it ruined, but this is perfect for a photo shoot. And then me drinking a Coke with my hair and those, you know, what's it called? The things you put in the hair, but with not clips, like from the 50s. Ooh, with black or red heels with red lipstick and maybe like big hair. Ooh, or I don't know. I'm just coming up with outfits, but oh my gosh, right here. But I don't like showing skin, but I do have cute outfit photo shoot ideas, but I don't like showing my body like that, so I don't do them. But if I get paid, imagine. Yeah, I don't know, but anyway, so nah, I'm too shy for that. So yeah, that's basically it for this collection. Yeah, I think this is one of my favorite collections they have. This pretty exciting. This is cool. So I'm probably gonna put a screen recording of their whole collection on their website that you can get, and like always you can use my discount code to save money and all that. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave it here. So which one was your favorite, the bra, the brief, or the things that I'm showing here? I don't know. So I want everything to be honest. Well, not everything, but the cherry print one I really want, and their cherry Coke or Diet Coke underwear. I don't know, it looks pretty nice. They also have like a plain red bralette, plain silver. I was gonna get the silver one too, but I was like, nah, maybe next time, but I don't want to. I just got this instead. So yeah. Okay, yeah, so I'm just gonna end it here. Somebody walked in a while ago, so they probably wanted to come inside, and I'm over here talking, waiting. They're waiting for me, maybe, I don't know. So okay, yeah, for a bite. I'm gonna leave. So yeah, thanks for watching. And yeah, and I'm not gonna be 100% fully back posting content, I don't think, until I am 100% sure I'm not sick. Because right now I don't really feel sick, but then I'm talking and I kind of feel like the cough, so I think I'm still sick. So yeah, I'm just I don't just need to do something. Maybe I end up unboxing more things, I don't know. No, I need to calm down. So okay, yeah, bye, thanks for watching.